Hey guys, if you would like to remove someone from your Facebook page's access, today's video I'm going to show you how it's done. So first of all, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your specific Facebook page. And likewise, you will see a page like this. Select this three-dot icon in here, access settings. So select settings and privacy and select settings. Now as you do that, you're going to have to scroll below. Under audience and visibility, you will see page setup. Tap onto it. Select page access. Likewise, under this section, you will see all the people or all the Facebook account who have some access to your page. Now, if you would like to remove them, you will also see a remove button just beside their name. All you have to do is select remove, confirm your action, and the access will be removed from that account. So this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch up soon in our next upload.